Yakatosi challenge. The gender is the same as your own. The ear size and tail is determined by your hair length. The longer your hair, the bigger the ears and tail. The shorter your hair, the smaller the ears and tail. The fur color is your birthstone's color. The ear color is your favorite color. Eye color is determined by your gender. White for female, gray for non-binary and black for male. Eye shape is the season you were born in. Heart eyes for spring. Star eyes for summer. Cross eyes for fall. Circle eyes for winter. Accessories are determined by your sexuality. A tie if you are gay or lesbian. A bow or bow tie if you are bi pan omnipoly. Eye patch if you are asexual. A flower crown if you are questioning or identify as anything else. And glasses if you are straight. Personality is determined by your favorite song or songs. First letter of the name has to be the same as the first letter of your name. You can choose your real life or online name. Hope you like the result.